Okay, guys. So after about 2.5 hours of installing the radio, let's check it out. Y'all ready for this? 'Cause boy, I've been dying to show y'all this mud, but I've been putting it off, taking care of work first, family first, of course. But let's just get to it. Bam! Got us the 10-inch. Gonna peel that plastic off. Whew! We in there. That glare ain't showing y'all no justice, but we got us the 10-inch Corehan. At least that's how I pronounce it. 10-inch Corehan double DIN unit. Yeah, man. Cut this mud on for y'all. Of course, I gotta go through, do all the other settings, but the reason this popped up is because I have a USB drive in there right now, and it just went straight to it. But push home, all the volumes work, but yeah. Menu, got your YouTube, you know what I'm saying, click on there, let's see. Yep. But y'all can see it. My channel. Yeah, man. Let's get up out of here. Push home. And then, of course, you got all your other good things, like you got your radio, which I haven't set anything, but say Navy, let's check that out. I'm bring you guys another full video once I actually sit back and play with this mud. See what it's gonna do. Select. Let's make sure this mud. Okay. Let me see real quick, y'all. My bad. Next. Alright, next. Have completed the initial setup. Finish. Yeah, we in Tennessee, buddy. Nope. Alright. GPS is good. Let's see. It's 3D. Alright, nothing. Anyways, home. Bluetooth. Got my phone connected already. Oh shit, my bad. But yeah, got the Bluetooth connected. That's all good. Make a call and all those other good things. Hit home. Of course, you can download whatever apps you want. Basically, just like my phone, man. So yeah, pull down menu. All those good things. You hit the little square button there. It'll show you all the tabs you ever had open. We ain't gonna worry about that. Like I said, you can't really see right now. This sun is beaming off my garage, and it's like not giving no justice. The time and date needs to be set, of course, but yeah, man, I just wanted to show you guys the radio. Next time you see it, it could look totally different. I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna play with it, get everything in order how I like it. But If you're here just checking out the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy, Merc Life B, and I'm out.